A 1,420 kilogram elevator is moving upward at 4.1 and stops in 1.7 seconds. Okay, I think we got to figure out the acceleration first. Let's do that. Okay, so we got x, vi, vf, a, and t. So let's see, it's moving upward. So our initial velocity is positive 4.1. Final velocity is 0. You see that this is going to be actually a negative acceleration, right? Our time is 1.7, and we want to use no x to find a. Right? So no x is vf is vi plus at. 0 equals 4.1 plus a times 1.7. Negative 4.1 equals a times 1.7. A is equal to the opposite of 4.1 times, divided by 1.7. So this acceleration is negative 2.41176. All right. All right, so we figured out the acceleration. Now I think what we got to do is we got to figure out the tension in the cable, right? All right, here we go. So here's our elevator. And there's a tension this way. There's a force of gravity down, right? Okay. Actually, I think the force of gravity is a little bit bigger than this, right? Let's just pretend that's longer than this. Okay, so the force of gravity is 1420 times 9.8. That's the gravitational field strength, right? So 1420 times 9.8. Wow, that's a lot of force. 13,916 down. So negative 13,916 newtons down. And then here is we'll just call that the force, right? The tension in the cable is the force upward. Okay. And then we just set this up. Ready? So force minus 13,916 is equal to 1420. And then notice it's moving up, but it stops moving up, right? So that means that our acceleration is negative, right? So negative 2.41176. Notice that I came by that minus sign, though, honestly, right? I was very careful in my math, and most of the time, I think all the time, right? The acceleration should come out of the kinematic formula with the right sign on it. But if it doesn't, just put a minus sign on there. If you know it should have a minus sign, put it on there. Okay. Okay. So here we go. So 1420 times that number, 2.4. Okay, plus, I'm going to add this to both sides, so plus that 13,916. I'm just using the up arrow on my calculator. Okay, I get that the force is equal to 10,491.3, approximately, newtons. Yay. So just be careful, right? Be careful of these, the pluses and the minuses, okay? And we'll talk about in class very carefully about what is a positive acceleration, what's a negative one. It's very, very important.